Have you been wondering how to sell digital products online? In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how you can create, sell, and market your digital products. If you don't know me, I'm Cece. I help moms make money online through digital marketing. So the beauty of digital products is that it has little effort in order to create versus a physical product. You don't have to house any inventory, and if you're using free platforms like social media to market and sell these, then it can be done at 100% profit. Just like physical products, digital products solve a problem for your customer. So it doesn't matter what industry you're in, what niche you're in, this works in every and all niches. It's just about finding what your customers' pain points are, what they need, and finding a way to market and sell that. And this is really beginner friendly because you don't have to house inventory, you don't have to have a storefront, you don't have to have the capital for all of that. Anyone can get started doing this with no experience and no following. So there's many different types of digital products. It could be an ebook, it could be a recipe book, it could be different templates for things, it could be a course that you're selling online. No matter what it is, the type that you are choosing in order to sell, it solves a problem for your customer within your niche. So knowing your customer and knowing what they need and how to solve their problem is all it takes in order to create a digital product. And if you don't have one or have a niche or have any skills on how to create one, you can find courses out there and products out there where you can get the rights to resell them and learn how to do so in order to make money online without any previous skills as well. If you're interested in learning more about this, comment resell below and I will share my free PDF with you. So how do you know what the right type of digital product is for you? So think about yourself. Think about what you love to do. What are your passions? What are your interests? Whether you're going to create one yourself or find one that you can resell, I highly suggest that it be something that you are interested in and passionate about because it's going to make it easy for you to talk about. Even if you don't know all the details and you're not an expert yet in that industry, you'll want to learn more about it and in turn be able to help your customers more. You can also do research on the different social platforms or Google or use ChatGPT to come up with some ideas for you based on what your interests are. So once we know what type of digital product we want to create, then we have to figure out how to create this. So if it's going to be an ebook, a recipe book, a PDF of some sort, I would suggest using Canva. It's a free program that you can use. They've got many different templates depending on the style that you want to get you started, and you can create it from there and save it as a PDF. You can also make it simply in, a Word document as well and share your information that way. Canva just makes it a little bit more stylized from there. So I would suggest checking that out. Otherwise, you could do it, if it's a course, you could do it in video. So you could record the video trainings. You can use your iPhone for this or Android, whatever you've got. You don't need a special expensive camera. Record those and then you can house them on YouTube unlisted and have them on there, or choose a different platform. But if you're just getting started, I would suggest YouTube as a platform to house them on. And then when someone opts in, you share the link with them for that course material. And if you don't want to create something yourself, go check out my link below. It will give you information on how you can sell digital products and get master resale rights to existing products. So now that we have created our product, we have to figure out how we are going to get this to our customers when we sell it. So if you are doing this yourself, you need to create a website, or at the very least a landing page where customers can go and opt in to buy the product, and then you have to figure out how you're going to deliver it to them. So again, this could be through email if it is something like an ebook or a recipe book, let's say, or it could be sending a link to the customers if you're doing a course that's a video. If you are choosing something with master resale rights, oftentimes they will take care of that for you, where they automatically deliver it to your customer for you, and you just get to make the 100% profit. So now we know what product we want to sell. We've created our product. We've figured out how to deliver it to our customer. Now we have to figure out how are we going to get customers to buy our product. So the best way to do this is through social media. So you're going to choose a platform that you want to use for social media. I suggest starting with one, whichever one you choose, and you're going to share information related to your product for free on social media, and then you'll have a call to action to get them to buy your product. So I would suggest creating a snippet of your product, like a freebie for them, that gives them a portion of information. So let's just say that you're a health coach, and what you're offering for paid is services for one-on-one coaching to help them with weight loss, let's just say. So you could create a freebie for them, which could just be a one-page checklist of, the 5 tips to losing 10 pounds in 30 days or something like that, whatever is appropriate for your industry. But create that freebie so that when you're sharing the information on social media, you're having them opt into your freebie, they're getting into your email sequence, and then from there you can sell your product to them. Another way to do this is you could use something like Stan Store as well. You can create email lists on there as well. So it's really dependent on you how you want to go about that. But the key here is to consistently show up on a social media platform, sharing valuable information. And then from there, you're either having them opt into your email list via a freebie and then selling the product from your email list, or you are having them directly go to a link. It could be a link in your bio or a link on your Stan Store, whatever you choose, that takes them to the page in order to purchase your product. So the key to this is consistently giving value to your potential clients so that they learn to know, like, and trust you so that they want to buy from you, and making sure that you're showing them that you can solve the problem that they have. If you want to learn how to make 10K in 30 days, check out the link below in my description, and be sure and like and follow this channel for more digital marketing tips.